Hello student, hope you are doing well in these days. Today I am going to discuss about some sum from the chapter factorization. So stay tuned till the end of my video. Hope you will learn some good things out of this video. So let's start. First sum, a square plus b square minus c square minus 2ab. So if this type of sum are given, always remember one thing, that by seeing this 2ab term, you have to choose the a square and b square terms. So here 2ab is given in 2ab only. So complete the formula. There is two type of formula. One is a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then how much it will become? This is the formula of a minus b whole square, and this is the formula, this is c square. Now this much we can think as a, and this is b. So a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? The formula is of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now in the place of a, here is a minus b. So a minus b plus c and a minus b minus c. Our next sum, 2bc minus b square minus c square plus 4a square. Now you see, here the term is 2bc. So with 2bc, which things we are needed? B square and c square. Here is given minus b square and minus c square. But in the formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, one thing is there. What is the thing? That the square term has positive sign, but here the square term has negative sign. So what we will do? We will take this 4a square first, then we will take minus as common, then it will become b square minus 2bc plus c square. So it is 2a whole square, and it will become b minus c whole square. So again it is a square minus b square. So a plus, write it in bracket because there are two terms. You can make mistake of sign. Now a minus b. So in the place of a there is 2a minus b minus c. So 2a plus b plus and minus c, 2a minus b minus and minus plus c. Next sum, x square minus y square plus 15z square minus 2yz minus 8xz. When this type of square sum are given, you see this is the square of x square, this is the square of y square, but this is not the square of anything, and any natural number. It is the square of root 15 square. So for that time you have to think that which perfect square number is nearest to this 15. Now we can see 16 is nearest to 15, so we can make this 15z square as 16z square minus z square. It will remain 15z square only. 16z square is the square of 4z, and z square is the square of z only. Now by seeing 2ab form, you have to choose the square and b square. So here the 2ab form, you see, one is minus 2yz and one is minus 8xz. So 8xz means we have to take x square and z square, and yz means we have to take y square and z square. Now you see this y square and z square have minus sign. So for that these terms we have to take the next time after taking minus as common, and we have to take these xz and x square z square first. So x square then minus 8xz. Now the question is arrived, which z square we will take first, 16z square or minus z square? We will take that plus 16z square, because this is plus and this is plus, and if you break this 8xz it will come 4z only. Wait, that I will show you. Minus y square minus 2yz minus z square. Now you see, this is the square of x square and this is the square of 4z square. So we have got the a and b. In the place of a we have got x, in the place of b we have got 4z. So we have to write it is in 2ab form. So 2 into x into 4z. Now take minus as common, y square plus 2yz plus z square. Now you see, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is the formula of a minus b whole square. So in the place of there is x and in the place of b there is 4z. Now you have to check this is coming that or not. So 2 into 4, 8, x into z. So 8xz. So it is coming, and it is y plus z whole square. So again, x minus 4z plus y plus z. It is the formula of a square minus b square. So a plus b, then a minus b. So x minus 4z plus y plus z, x minus 4z minus y minus z. It will come x minus 3z plus y, and it will come x minus y minus 5z. Next, a square minus 3b square minus c square minus 2ab plus 4bc. So again you see the square terms. This is a square, this is 3b square, this is c square. So a square is the square of a, c square is the square of c, but 3b square is not the square of any natural number. So what we have to think, which natural number which is perfect square is nearest to 3? What is that number? That is 4. So we can make this one as minus 4b square plus b square. Now what we have to check? We have to check 2ab term. So this is also 2ab, this is also 2ab. So by seeing these 2ab we can see, we can tell that we have to take a square and b square. By this seeing 2ab form we have to take b square and c square form. Now here is only 2ab, so we have to take a square and b square only, and there is 4bc, so we have to take 4b square and c square with this one. So we can write this one as a square minus 2ab plus b square, then take minus as common. It will become 4b square minus 4bc and plus c square. Now it will become a minus b whole square minus, it is the square of 2b and it is the square of c. Now 2 into, in the place of a there is 2b, in the place of b there is c. So 2 into 2, 4, b and c, 4bc. So it will come, it is coming. So we can write this one as 2b minus c whole square. So it is a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. So a minus b plus 2b minus c, a minus b minus 2b plus c. So it will become a plus b minus c, and it will become a minus 3b plus c. Next sum. 2ab minus a square plus c square minus b square. So you can see, by seeing 2ab we can understand which two square term we have to take with this 2ab. Now a square and b square, here you see before a square and b square there is minus and c square is plus. So what you have to write first? We have to write this c square first, then we have to take minus common, then this square term will become plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will become c square minus a minus b whole square. So it is a square minus b square form. So a plus b and a minus b. So c plus a minus b, c minus a minus minus plus b. Next sum, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2xy plus 2x plus 2y plus 1. So you see here it is 2ab form. So we can write it as like this way, x square plus 2xy plus y square. From these two we can take common 2, then there remain x plus y. So this will become x plus y its whole square plus 2 into x plus y plus 1 square. 1 we can write, so we can write here also 1. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is a plus b whole square formula. So in the place of a there is x plus y and in the place of b there is 1. So it will become x plus y plus 1 whole square. Next sum, x square plus 12yz minus 4y square minus 9z square. So by seeing we can tell this is 2ab form. So as this is 2ab form, so with that we have to take the a square and b square. So with respect to this 12yz, which are the square and b square? This 4y square is a square and 9z square is b square, we can take. But this square term has negative sign. So what we have to do? Which square term has positive sign? Write that one first, then take minus common, then write this one here. Now 4y square is the square of 2y and 9z square is the square of 3z. So we have got this a square and b square. So in the place of a there is 2y, in the place of b there is 3z. Now 2a b. Now check, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, yz. So it will come a minus b whole square. So it is again a square minus b square. So x plus 2y minus 3z and it is x minus 2y minus 3z. So it will become x plus 2y minus 3z and x minus 2y minus minus plus 3z. So student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and how much you can share maximum, and if you have any problem then you can contact with me in this number. Thanks for watching.